When he was 2 years old, I found him sitting on the couch looking at a guitar player mixing. I thought, wow, this kid is drawn to guitars. As he got older, music was a big part of school. So whether that was playing tuba or playing guitar for school assembly, it was always there. And it was a part of family, a part of community, a way to engage with people. What I'm excited about for Max as I've watched his love of music grow is that he is bringing that big heart, he's bringing that playful spirit, and his ability to engage others.
And I don't want to say it.